Yo, what's up, my fellow online entrepreneurs? Dustin, this side. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to talk about a revolutionary new platform that could be the key to unlocking massive growth and income for your business. It's called Influenx AI. Also for you, I have more than $8,000 worth of bonuses waiting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool? Aren't those all just hype and empty promises? Well, let me tell you, Influenx AI is different. This platform gives you the power to create, automate, and monetize your very own AI influencers without ever having to show your face or build a massive following. It's a game changer, plain and simple. So let's go through this Influenx AI. We will cover all the points and see the advantages you can have. Ensure you stay until the end of this review, as I will also show you how to use this Influenx AI and get all the benefits. So what is the Influenx AI? Influenx AI is a cloud-based platform that lets you choose from a library of pre-made, ultra-realistic AI influencer avatars. Or if you're feeling creative, you can even clone yourself and create your own digital persona. The best part? This AI-powered tool handles everything: content creation, scheduling, posting, and even real-time engagement. It's a hands-off approach to influencer marketing that could save you a ton of time and effort. You know what? Let's see the demo of the Influenx AI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how the Influenx AI works. It is a low one-time offer. You can take advantage of all these features. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. You can read all the features of Viral Quiz AI on the screen or visit the link in the description. But the benefits of Influenx AI don't stop there. With the commercial license, you can actually rent out your AI influencers to businesses and brands, turning your digital personas into a reliable source of passive income. And thanks to the platform's multilingual capabilities, your AI influencers can engage with audiences all around the world, expanding your reach like never before. Before going further, if you want to check out the Influenx AI at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. All the details of OTOs, upsells, and discounts are included in the description as well. Now let's see the OTOs and upsells. Influenx AI front end for $17. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $67. Second OTO is DoneForYou Edition for $297. Third OTO is Automation for $47. Fourth OTO is Swift Profits for $47. Fifth OTO is Limitless Traffic for $97. Sixth OTO is The Agency for $167. Seventh OTO is Franchise Edition for $97. Lastly, the eighth OTO is Influenx AI Multiple Income for $47. So, if you're ready to take your influencer marketing to the next level and start generating serious income without all the hassle, then Influenx AI is the tool you need to be using. Head over to the website right now and check out the special launch pricing. This is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Let's start building your AI influencer empire today, and I'll see you in the next video.
Fearless.